Hello, my name is Romy Phillips, and I'd like to share this brief tutorial on Surya Namaskar A. I will guide you through the fundamentals and demonstrate the key details of asanas that make up Surya Namaskar A. This tutorial is ideal for beginners or for those who wish to deepen and refine their practice. Let's get started. I will just first demonstrate Surya Namaskar A with Bhujangasana and then with Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, which is up dog. So just watch first. This is the first variation with Cobra Bhujangasana. So this is a modification. And this time I will show you Surya Namaskar A with Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, which is up dog. I'm modifying by coming to the floor and then coming into up dog. Let's start in Tadasana. Stand with your feet together, arms reaching down by your side. Take a deep breath, inhale through your nose, exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up, Urdhva, look up at your hands. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Hands by your feet. Inhale, lengthening, Ardha Uttanasana, extend your spine. Keep your gaze forward as you step back into plank, which you will lower down into Chaturanga. Elbows, wrists, and shoulders lining up. Now take a moment to root down through the thumb, inner edges of your palms and index fingers, and draw your elbows in towards your rib cage. Press down through your feet, straighten out your legs by pressing down through the feet. And just notice how my elbows are over my wrist. Draw your shoulder blades down your back as you wind across your collarbones. Keep your neck neutral with your spine. My knees are off the floor as my toes press into the floor. Hold for a moment and breathe. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up, shifting back into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Really spread through the entire width of your palms. Press your thumb and index fingers down. Firm your triceps in. Lift the inner arms up towards the ceiling, the outer arms down, and really engage your arms. Now taking that energy from your hands, inhale, lengthen your spine, reach your tailbone up away from your shoulders. Stay here and breathe. Walk your feet up to your hands, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale up, arms up, palms touch, look up at your hands, exhale, release. Let's do this again. Inhale up, exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthening, Ardha Uttanasana. Step back into plank, which is moving into Chaturanga. So pause here. Notice my hands are shoulder width apart. I root down through my index fingers and thumbs as I come down Chaturanga. Collarbones wide, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, up dog. Notice how my hips come off the floor. My inner thighs are lifting up towards the ceiling. Shoulders back, chest up. Toes pointing, knees off the floor. Downward facing dog and hold. Stay here and hold for 5 complete breaths. Inhale, tailbone lifts up. Exhale, Inhaling, lengthen, find the length, keep engaging your arms, move down through your palms. Exhale. So notice how my hands really root down. The inner edges of my palms, thumbs, and index fingers are resting, rooting into the floor, which helps me to engage my arms. Keep breathing. Lift your tailbone up. Move your inner thighs back, shins back, spread your toes. Okay, now start to walk your feet up to the top of the mat, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, coming up, arms up, look up, Urdhva. Exhale, hands down. Okay, let's do this again twice. Starting at Tadasana. Pause and just take a breath. Inhale up, Urdhva. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthening, Ardha Uttanasana. Stepping back to plank. Chaturanga. We're going to be doing Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. If you need to do Cobra, go ahead. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog and hold. So stay here and count the breaths. Each inhalation and exhalation is one complete cycle of breathing. Each time you inhale, find length. Each time you exhale, root down through your palms and your feet. Ardha Uttanasana, extend your spine. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, coming up. Arms up, Urdhva. Exhale, hands down. Let's do that again. Inhale up. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthening, Ardha Uttanasana. Gaze towards the top of your mat. Step back into plank. Chaturanga. Let's come into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana again. Upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Knees off the floor, chest up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here and pause. Inhaling, lengthen. Exhale. Continue to root down through your palms and from your arms. Move your thighs back, your inner thighs back, your shins back. Ardha Uttanasana, extend your spine. Exhale, bow forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, coming up. Palms touch and hands down by your side. And just take a moment to stand in Tadasana and breathe quietly to yourself. Namaste.